Hi guys, my name is Jennifer and welcome to my virtual paint party. If you're a beginner and you've never done this before, then this is the perfect class to start with because I take you through from start to finish. I let you know what brushes to use, how to mix the paint for the specific painting we're doing, and you'll at the end have an awesome finished masterpiece. So the great thing about this being virtual is you are able to go at your own pace. So if you need to slow down for any reason, you can pause. If you missed something I said, you can rewind and play it over again. I am really excited to be with you guys virtually, and let's get started.